Yeehaw.
Good morning, we're on a bike ride around Uluru and we're just waiting for the first person to fall off. How was the ride around Uluru, El?
Good, really good. So, yeah.
Much better than walking, we think.
Yeah.
There was a lot of people walking. It looked like it'll take a really long time.
They look really unhappy.
But anyway, we're back to the van and drop our rental bikes back after jumping them. So we left Uluru and now heading to Kata Tjuta. We just stopped at the viewing area as you saw, about to jump back in the van and head across. Head back to the hotel. Beer time. So just finished up beers, all refreshed now after our big day of activity today. So this seems like a good enough spot to finish up today's vlog. So we'll see you tomorrow. See ya.